Crypto Billionaire 69 coming back with another in-depth technical analysis video on DOGELON MARS. My beautiful friends, tune in. We are about to get straight into the charts. Have not posted in a couple days. That's because we've been staggering around, and we're about to get into what is going on, what we need to look for, and where we need to watch, what levels we need to watch in order to get the best price. Is it a good time to get in now? We shall see. So, first thing is first. First thing that comes to my attention is this upward trend that we are in currently. We are making higher lows. We are currently battling the 10 levels right now. If we can hold above that, that would be nice in the day trade terms. However, this video we will go over long-term, months, weeks to months, what we should expect coming into these markets. Okay, Bitcoin is below the $40,000 levels, around the $39,000 levels at the moment. So that being said, as we've seen a recent spike in DOGELON MARS, and we are consolidating right around here, whereas previously when Bitcoin was around 39,000, we were lower than these levels. It is a very bullish sign that buyers are stepping in and they are indeed getting ready to see a nice spike. Now, you can see a lot of hype around the Binance listing, okay? I believe Binance is allowing people to pre-buy Elon and certain other tokens at this moment in time. I believe they released 10 tokens, which is a really cool thing, and it's a very good positive momentum catalyst for DOGELON MARS. So let's get into the technical analysis, my friends. We are seeing some massive volume, okay? This is the first green sign, first major green sign, okay? In a consolidation, we are seeing major volume thicken very much, okay? Now, let's draw this Fibonacci level out and see where we are consolidating. Because this right here is a very healthy retracement Fibonacci. So all of you beautiful people who have been following this channel, you would have seen me use this Fibonacci retracement level numerous times in the past. And this is a textbook Fibonacci retracement play, okay? So, swing low to swing high. I just want to see how it looked at this, the bottom of this green candle here. Swing low to swing high. We saw this major buy come in, okay? A whale or a group of people absolutely bought the crap out of this coin, coming back to test these previous highs, okay? We saw some selling pressure because there were some automatic sells in here, most likely. People are taking profits right at the top here, which is completely normal and it's completely fine and completely natural and good for the long term of things, all right? So, after we saw some sellers step in, we saw this major green candle come back down, major buy or selling pressure here, okay? Now, we saw a little bit of buyers step back in and push the price higher, which allowed it to close around these 971 levels. Now, the next day, we saw neutrality. We saw some buyers push up, sellers step back in, push it back down, some buyers step back in, and close it right around this 950s mark, okay? Indicating that buyers and sellers are remaining neutral. Neither one are taking over at the moment. So, day after we saw this neutrality, we saw a major push, okay? Breaking through previous resistance. Now, the volume wasn't really there, okay? We did not see some volume. However, the next day after that, we saw a major candle pushing all the way up. Sellers stepping back in, pushing it all the way back down and closing into a red candle, okay? This indicates major points of resistance around these levels here, okay? So, these 1125 levels we want to watch as we continue to move higher in this triangle pattern we are creating. So, we saw a major this is the most volume we saw in a consolidation in all of these candles. This is the candle that we saw the most volume. It started at the bottom, pushed up, came down. This is what it most likely did. So this daily candle came all the way up and closed all the way at the bottom. Now this new daily candle opened. It pushed all the way down in this red candle, testing these previous lows around these 950s. Then buyers stepped back in, pushing it all the way back up. All right. And then sellers step back in, pushing it down, closing here. All right. Now this is called not quite in a bearish engulfing. However, it somewhat looks like it, showing major selling pressure coming back in, pushing it lower. Okay, a lot of consolidation pretty much, but the main thing is we are creating higher lows. Now, tomorrow is major, okay? Because we want to see, at the lowest, we want to see us come down to these 969 levels, okay? 969, 960 levels. We want to see some major buying pressure step in here, push it higher, and we want to see us come back up to test these 1125s as soon as possible within the next week, all right? Now, as we come up to test these 1125s, we need to watch and see how it reacts, okay? It can react in two ways. We can see some selling pressure, which will bring it back down into this triangle pattern that we are creating, right? Comes up, boom, comes back down, okay? We are consolidating for a little bit, but we will break out and we will have an answer within the next week on what is going to happen. But the main thing we want to watch is these 960 levels and these 1125 levels. We want to come up and test these 1125 levels within the next 3 days. 1, 2, 3. We should have another test around these 1125 levels, and we will be able to see if we want to break through here. And once we do break through these levels, especially these 1278s, once we break through these, we are heading up and up very fast, all right? Now, the next minor point of resistance we have is around these 14s. After that, we are heading all the way back up to these 17 levels, all right? Now, that is a beautiful thing, my friends. So get ready for this ride because we have major things coming, all right? However, do not give your hopes up because we do not have confirmation yet. I will keep you guys updated on the charts and what's going on in the future. Crypto Billionaire 69. Just keep an eye out. All of you beautiful people who are reaching out to me on the Patreon or trying to get into the Patreon, the spots are currently full. However, this is the first announcement. I will be opening new spots at the beginning of next month, okay? The 1st of next month. Keep your eyes out. If you want to get in the Patreon, there will be a few spots opening. So, that's my fair warning to all you people trying to take your trading to the next level with real-time buy and sell alerts and updates. I will catch you guys in the next video. Crypto Billionaire 69 out.